Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a gorgeous Burberry show today. This is a Burberry Tassel tote, and I just love the kind of boldness of this bag. It's got great, these huge leather tassels on the front, so two of those feature tassels, and then lovely thick top handles, really sturdy, nice leather top handles, and it's just a gorgeous bright red as well. So again, we've got those double top handles, and then we have one removable strap. You can see that's removable with those butterfly clips on either side, and it's also adjustable, so we've got it on the longest setting at the minute, so you can make it a bit shorter too. And then we have 4 base studs along the bottom, and then we've got kind of feature suede sections all over the bag, so you can see along the back as well. And then we've got a zip top closure for the main bag with these lovely chunky zip pulls. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside there, we've got that Burberry fabric lining, and we've got one zipped pocket along the back here. So when it's at the right angle, that zip works really nicely and smoothly. And then on the opposite side, we've got another 3 flat pockets. So one here, and then we've got one in the middle as well. The condition of this bag, we have called it fair, and so the exterior, sorry, we've called fair. It is still in a very nice condition, but there's just signs of wear on that suede. So you can see a little mark here, and on the bottom, you can see where it's darkened along those edges of the suede, and there's a similar thing on the other side too. And then there's just a little scratch on the front of the leather as well. So you can see just there. That scratch just there on the leather, and there's just other signs of wear. So underneath those tassels, you can see where it's darkened a little bit there and a little bit frayed, and there's just general signs of wear over the exterior of the bag, but it is in a really gorgeous kind of sturdy leather, so you wouldn't be afraid to just kind of get all your things in there and sling it over your shoulder. It's a gorgeous bag, and that leather feels really beautiful as well. The interior we've called good. There's no particular marks, there's kind of like small little marks, so you can see there, and just here as well, so small little marks like that over the interior fabric lining, and you can just tell that it's been used before, that it's had a life before, so that is why we've called the interior good. And it's a similar situation with the hardware as well, so those base studs have a little bit of wear to them, they've got a little bit of scratching, but not a huge amount actually. And then on that Burberry plaque on the front, again, just a small little bit of scratching, and it's just a similar situation all over the hardware, but actually all of it has mostly got that really lovely shiny gold tone. Just on these zip pulls, you can see they've got a little bit of darkening and a bit more scratching, but overall that hardware is in a lovely condition, so that is why we've called it good. It comes with the Burberry dust bag. And if you'd like to know the exact measurements for this tassel tote, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If you get to that link and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto, so if you've missed out on this, just let us know how much you love it and we'll get you on that request list. And just that means as soon as we get another one just like it, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and you can hopefully be one of the first to know and get in there nice and quickly. Don't forget, we're on our website as well to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and that is a 5% or £50 off your first purchase, so don't miss out on that. So that is the newsletter, the discount code and the request list. Exact measurements again are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", so you can have it with those top handles, pop it on your arm like that and really show it off, or that strap for me is just long enough to pop as a crossbody on that longest setting as well. So if you want to kind of use this as an overnight bag and a weekend bag, it's definitely big enough to do so, and it's got a lovely sturdy leather again as well. So if you want to use it for that kind of situation, this handy crossbody strap is really useful for a bit more on the go. So if you are interested in this beautiful bag, don't forget to go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter again while you're on our website, and also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. So if you're interested in selling any of your bags, we'd love to see what you've got for us. So have a read through that page, like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy for you.